Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can generate your own coloring page or coloring book. So here I'm going to select Magic Media in apps, then I'm going to select graphics and I'll select the doodle one. I'm going to enter some words, maybe like a cute cat with a bow. Then I'm going to select generate graphics here. You can basically type in anything you want to make like a coloring page or a book. For instance, some flowers, some butterflies, some cute animals. I don't know what else to say. I'm going to then select the cat here. I'm just going to place it on my page and I'm just going to kind of I'm going to add like 2, I guess. So there's like 2 to color, for instance. This and that maybe. And for the background, you can add in some other stuff like the sun, some clouds, some flowers, or even like more cats if you'd like to. But that is pretty much it. Really super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!